Usually, in English, to make plurals, we add an S to the noun. However, when nouns end in an S, SS, SH, CH, X, Z, we add ES, and the word gets an extra syllable. Gas is gases. Gas is gases. Dress, SS, we add ES. Dress is dresses. Dress, dresses. SH, we add ES. Bush is bushes. CH, we add ES. Watch is watches. Ends in X, we add ES. Fox is foxes. It ends in a Z, we add ES. Quiz, quizzes. Let's practice. There is a gas. Plural, there are gases. Singular, there is one dress. Plural, there are dresses. Singular, I see a bush. Plural, I see many bushes. Watch, singular, I have a watch. Plural, I have 5 watches. Fox, singular, I see a fox. Plural, I see 2 foxes in the woods. Singular, quiz, I have a quiz tomorrow. Plural, my teacher gives me many quizzes.